Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. And we're going to be using 3 different kinds of makeup. Lipstick, mascara, and eyeshadow. So let's get started. First we're going to be using some lipstick. It's the matte kind. MAC. It's a bright bold red. The reason I chose red is because I'm going to be doing a dark colored eye, and I feel like red would pop the color of the brown. So that's why I chose red today. I normally use red. Sometimes I will use a little bit of pink, not too many times, but I usually look at like what kind of like lipstick or something eyeshadow I'm using, and if it's like a dark color, I'll probably use something really bold, but if it's like light color, I'll probably use something not as bold. Like if it's a light color, then I'll probably use pink. If it's a dark color, I'll probably use red to keep the dark colors just a little bit bold for the lipstick. And I'll just keep with the mascara with just the regular black. My hair usually helps a little bit. If I just have regular brown, I'll probably just use any color of lipstick. But if I have colors in my hair, if it's like pink in my hair like I do now, I'll probably use red. But if it's like blue or purple in my hair, I'll probably use just pink, since those are not lighter, but I think pink and red go really well together, so I feel like that would work. And sometimes I use it with my clothes as well. So if I have like a dark color of clothing on, I will definitely use some red. But if I have like a light purple, then I definitely will use pink. And if I have like a light purple in my hair, I'll use pink as well. So it doesn't really what matters between the eyeshadow color, my hair, and my clothing. So first we're going to be doing some lipstick. It's the MAC. This is the MAC Bold Red. As you guys can see, it's super glossy. Normally I usually put some gloss on with it, but since it's already got so much gloss on it right now, I'm not going to pull out my gloss right now, since I don't think I need it. Next, we are going to be doing the Jackie Lauren palette. It is one of my favorite palettes I've ever used. It has super bright and bold colors, and it has dark colors, so it's fun to use, and it's just really, it has like every color, so it's nice. So let me get my brushes. So here's the brush I'm going to be using today. It has a little makeup on it, but this is the brush I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this purple and this little white and this like beige. It's because the purple shows up as brown a lot, so I usually just want to make sure the brown is not actually too bold. I just want to make sure it's like a little bit lighter than what it's already. So now we're just going to be dabbing a little bit and then putting it on. So today is actually showing up a little bit more purple, but it shows up really well sometimes as purple, but sometimes it doesn't. Might show up a little bit pink since there's already pink on the brush. That's fine, because then it gives it a little bit of pop of color, but I might add some brown on so it looks a little bit more how it usually is. So now I'm going to be putting that down, and then I'm going to be grabbing this brush, and I'm going to be dabbing it in the beige color, and I'm just going to dab a little bit, and then I'm going to rub it all over the top of my eye. Then it makes it look a little bit more down. Now I'm going to add the brown up on the top so it doesn't look as pink. So now I'm going to take this brush. It's a different brush. I'm going to be using this brown. I think I'm going to use this brown since it's pretty dark and I want it to be pretty dark. And I'm going to add some more liner. So now it looks a little bit more brown. And then I'm going to just add the same exact color to the other eye. I'm just doing it up in the crease is because that's just the part where I just want it to be a little bit darker. Now there's the eyeshadow. Now I am going to take the same brush I used a minute ago, this one, and I'm just going to take and use the beige color that I used the first time. Just rub it all over. And there's the final look with the eyeshadow. Now we're going to be using the Lash Blowout mascara. It's a super dark black mascara and it is really good to use. You can find it at Walmart. And this mascara looks really good with this whole entire face, so it's going to look really good. There we go. Now the other eye. There we go. Now I have both eyes done with the mascara. Now we're going to go back and do our blush. So we're going to take my blush brush, this one. I'm going to dab it in this color right here. I'm going to dab it in there. Just put a little bit on at a time. If I put too much on at a time, it will not look that good. So I'm trying to make sure I just put a little bit on so I don't overdo it. Now I think that's enough blush. So now here's the final look. Now look, just a dark color on the eyes and then a bright bold red on the bottom.
Looks right on there.
Now that everything's done, thank you guys for watching. Bye!